Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's try to discuss some of the dates of a number. Let's understand the given inputs as well as outputs. So here input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Sum of all these dates, the answer is 15. Similarly, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, answer is 10. Similarly, 8 plus 9 plus 2, the answer is 19. So before moving on to the logic of this respective question, so I suggest you to go through bitwise operators part 2 as well as arithmetic operators, what is modulus operator both. So let's try to understand. So if I take the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to remove the last digit of this respective number, we already know that we are supposed to do the right shift operation. As we are working on decimal numbers, so we divide by 10. Okay, so basically if you want to remove the last digit from any number, we are supposed to divide with that respective base. So maybe if you are working on some binary number, if you want to remove this last bit 1, so you are supposed to divide this by 2 in binary. Maybe similarly, if you are working on octal, you divide by 8. Similarly, if you are working on hexadecimal, you divide by 16. So let's come to this question where we are working on sum of digits. So let me consider 1, 2, 3, 4 my number. So I have removed the value 5 by using divide by 10. Similarly, if I want to only take the last digit, so accessing the last digit we are supposed to do with modulus. So when you do modulus, so we would be able to access the last digit of that respective number. As this number is in binary, so if you do modulus 10, they can access the value 4. Similarly, it also works for all other bases. So maybe if I say 101 in binary, if you want to access the last digit, which is 1, so meaning 5 modulus 2, you get the value to 1. So in that way, you can access the last bit. Similarly, in the decimal base, as our number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you want to access the last digit, you do with modulus 10. So where you get the value to 5. So basically, if you want to remove the last digit, you are supposed to divide by 10 when you're working on decimal. Similarly, if you want to access the last digit, you are supposed to do modulus 10 when you're working in decimal base only. So now let's try to understand how we are supposed to develop the logic for this. Now let's try to consider the given example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I want to do addition 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 in this direction, or if I want to do the addition in the reverse direction also, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, the answer is still the same. But the process is going from the reverse direction would be very helpful. Let's try to see that. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to access the last digit, so we can go for the value modulus 10 where you get the value 5. And next time when you want to add 5 with 4, you need to remove the value 5 from that. So for that, you need to do divide by 10. So now the number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4 mod 10, you get the value to 4. And next 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10, you get the value to 1, 2, 3. Similarly, you do the process until your number is 0. So you keep on adding 5, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that is how the logic works. So here if you observe, we are trying to do until our number is 0. So again here comes the picture of while. So while your number is greater than 0, you are following the same steps. So let's try to keep this code in our Visual Studio Code. So I have created a file called sumofdates.py. Let's try to take the integer input from the user. So number equals to int of input. So now let's try to take sum equals to 0. So we are supposed to find the value sum of the age. So taking a variable sum to 0. So we know the while loop. So we need to run this while loop until our number is 0. So number greater than 0 is the condition. Each and every time you are supposed to add the last digit from that. So basically if you want to extract the last digit, so what we are supposed to do? So divide with that respective base with modulus. So number modulus 10, now we got the value 5. If the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you need to remove the value 5 so that next time 4 would be added to the sum. So in order to remove that, what we are supposed to do? Divide our number by 10. So that's all. So print our result sum. Let's try to run this code. So giving the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we got the output to be 15. So giving the value to 1, 2, 3, 4, output is 10. So giving the value 892, so output is 19. So let's try to understand what is the time complexity of this video. So time complexity would be order of log base 10 of n. So where you see division comes into picture, automatically log comes into the picture of time complexity. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.